Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we will check out the building damage assessment system using machine learning. So in that project, you have to upload an input video to that model and it will identify the damaging part, and we are giving the label as test 1. It will analyze the damage patterns and according to that it will classify. We are developing projects in computer science domain related to Python, AI, ML, and also developing the Android app and website related projects. So if you have any project, then you can just let me know in the comment section, or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I'll share the WhatsApp number in the video description. It will take little bit time, and then it will show the result. It will identify the modality confidence, no damage, minor, major, and destroyed. Let them finish. User can upload any of the input image from the dataset, or they can download from the internet, and it will work on both the things. The model is continuously working in the background. Now it identify the buildings. So the confidence of 0.49%, and you can identify the no damage in the green color, minor in the yellow color, major in the orange color, and destroyed in the red color. No damage will be the 12.4%, minor will be the 31.1%, major will be the 5.8%, and destroyed will be the 12.4%. You can upload any of the input image and it will identify that particular damage part. And you can also download that particular file. So let's open that. We have downloaded that particular building assessment report. And you can check the input images and the damage assessment map, confidence score, and interpretation. So this will be the complete project. This will be the assessment history where you can check the date and label, and the damaging map. So let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.